In today's video, I'm going to teach you to add Affirm to Shopify. By the end, your customers will be able to check out using Affirm and split their purchases into manageable installments. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. You'll land on the main dashboard, the place where you manage products, orders, and settings. From here, head to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all your store-wide preferences live. Inside Settings, select Payments. The Payments page lists every way a customer can pay you. Scroll until you reach the section labeled Alternative Payment Methods. This area is designed for providers like Affirm that offer buy now, pay later options alongside your primary gateway. Click Add Payment Methods, then use the search bar to look up Affirm. When you see Affirm in the provider list, click Activate. At this point, Shopify may redirect you to sign in to your Affirm merchant account, or it may guide you through a quick setup flow. Just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to connect your existing Affirm account to Shopify and grant authorization so the two platforms can share the details required to process installment payments securely. Once connected, you'll return to Shopify where you can review the settings associated with Affirm. Take a moment to confirm everything looks right, things like the provider status and any relevant checkout display options. Accuracy here prevents checkout confusion later. When you're confident the settings are correct, click Save. That action applies your changes and turns on Affirm for your storefront, and that's it. Affirm has now been added to your Shopify store, giving shoppers a flexible way to pay over time at checkout. As a quick tip, keep an eye on your orders after your first few sales to see how Affirm transactions appear in Shopify. It's helpful to get familiar with how these orders are labeled and captured so your fulfillment workflow stays smooth. If you operate in multiple regions or currencies, review your eligibility and make sure the feature is supported for your store's location. You can also revisit the payments page anytime to fine-tune settings or deactivate the method if needed. You might also want to surface messaging about flexible payments across your storefront so customers understand their choices before checkout. Review how discounts, taxes, and shipping are calculated with installments to avoid surprises. And if you update payment gateways later, double-check that Affirm stays enabled. Thanks for following along. With Affirm active, you're expanding payment choice, which can improve conversion and average order value while keeping your checkout experience straightforward.